Hello traders, welcome back to our daily trade journal and market analysis. I try to journal every session, not just for accountability, but because it helps me spot patterns and mistakes faster. And study shows that you're 3 times more likely to improve when you journal daily. So it's a habit I highly recommend if you want to level up your trading. So today was a very clean trading day for me. The signals worked really well and everything played out as expected. I almost had 100% winning trades today, except for this one tiny blip over here where I took a trade, eventually went in my direction, but I had to take a call, so I exited that trade right away because I couldn't watch it, and that was the only thing that made me lose money today. Otherwise, it would have been a clean 100% day, which is probably one of the best days I had in a while. Um, and this is mainly due to the journaling as well. The journaling definitely helped a lot. So let's dig into today's market and what happened and why I made that much money today. So today, market open 940, market structure had flipped bearish, and it just made sense during that flip because we were coming up to that 10-minute resistance over here, and we were struggling. So once I saw market flip bearish, I was like, let's go, let me short it. And then, well, I was actually already in a shorting this moving average, but then once market flipped bearish, I kept that short and I moved it further to give it more room because I know how market structure works. When it flips and it's on the same direction I'm on already, it usually plays out even better. So then 1020, we had one of our first buy signals, which was over here. And this is also one of the major levels I called out yesterday at 63, 23, 24 area, right? So I'll teach you guys a really interesting point here that I learned. So you could say in theory, this level kind of broke today, right? Because the candle did go under the level. But if you're looking at 5-minute and 10-minute time frames, and the body, the bigger part of the candle didn't close under that line, then technically the you know the support didn't really break. Like this level didn't really break because it's just the wick of it. The wick, when you see a wick on the candle, it means that you know it means that it's just a tiny portion of those orders that are going through there, and not a lot of people are actually selling at that bottom area. So or not a lot of volume is at that bottom area. So they couldn't break it. That's also at a 10-minute MOB here. So that buy signal played out. We moved back up, and then by 11:30, we had another sell signal from NQ, which is a DD sell signal, and you see that played out over there very well. And then by 2 p.m., market had flipped bullish, which means we want to buy the dip. So that was over here, market flip bullish, and then market makers started another flush, I guess, just to kind of stop hunt and grab the liquidity there, and we pushed up higher. So that's how we closed for the day. I think it's been a pretty interesting close. There's also a possible inverse head and shoulder setup pulling up here. Let's see if I can show you guys in a better version here. So there's a possible, I mean, not inverse head and shoulder, it's just a regular head and shoulder, kind of a head and shoulder setup here. So if this setup happens, we can flush down further. But I think they're just messing around. I think they're just setting it up to make us think that's the process, and maybe they'll move it back up, further up higher. So same levels. I'm keeping these levels the same. So tomorrow we'll continue to watch the 63.39 level. If we break under it, expect it to be bearish like this. And then this level, same here. As long as we're above this level, I think we're still okay. If we break under it and the body close under it, we are pretty bearish, and you only want to go bearish trades from there. Over here, if we go above this level, you want to consider us to be bullish and expect us to go up from here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this helps. And if you guys enjoy these videos, please subscribe to DIY Wall Street on our YouTube channel as well for daily updates and disciplined trading. Good luck and have a great day.